Unlike many other programming languages, Go contains a native structure for concurrency programming. To execute the code concurrency, we use the Go routine structure. Go routines are a minimal, lightweight built-in structure in Go. Go routine can run functions and methods simultaneously. To create a Go routine, we use the Go keyword before the call to functions or methods. We defined a function called count that prints 10 numbers each 500 milliseconds. We did this using the sleep method. Then we called this function 2 times with different parameters. Now if we run the program, first the function that got the negative parameter is executed and ends, then it goes to the next line and executes the function with the positive parameter. Another point is that we have used the log package here. The log package is safer for concurrency than the FMT package. Now if we execute the first function using Go routine, the program will not wait for the first function to end, it executes both at the same time. This technique is called concurrency programming. To execute the first function concurrency, just put the Go keyword before the function call. Now if we run the program, both functions will run simultaneously. Note that if we do not stop the main function and it ends, we will not see any results. To better understand this point, comment on the second function and then run the program. As you can see, it didn't show anything. You can use the sleep method to hold the program to force the main function to wait until the end of the count. Go has a type of data called channel, for interaction between Go routines. In other words, if we want to return data from the count function or any function that is to be executed concurrently, we must use the channels. In channels, we use this operator to send data to the channel. We do the same to receive data, with the difference that the place of the variables changes. Here we wrote a function that calculates the power of two numbers using the math package, adds it to the channel we gave to the function, and created a variable called resp of the channel type for decimal numbers. Channels can be made for any other type. Then we executed the function twice concurrently and received and printed the results from the channels. In the next module, you will get acquainted with the sync package and use this package to write our tools. In the next video, we will implement the ROT13 encoding algorithm together.